Welcome back! If you're looking for reliable ways to make money that don't depend on trends or seasons, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to talk about 10 evergreen methods to make money. Methods that stand the test of time and provide you with a steady income. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income, these methods will work year after year. Let's get started! 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most consistent ways to earn money. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or digital marketer, the freelance market is always looking for talent. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find clients. You can start with small projects and gradually build up your portfolio. The beauty of freelancing is flexibility. You can choose which projects to work on and set your own rates. For example, if you're a web designer, you could design websites for small businesses looking to establish an online presence. If you're a writer, you can offer blog post writing or even ghostwriting services. Once you establish a reputation, the demand for your skills will keep growing. 2. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is another evergreen way to make money. Things like ebooks, online courses, templates, and printables can generate passive income. Once you create them, they're available for sale 24/7, making this method highly scalable. For instance, if you're knowledgeable about a particular topic, you could create a digital course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can also write an ebook about something you're passionate about, be it personal finance, self-improvement, or health, and sell it on Amazon. The great thing about digital products is that after the initial work of creating them, you can earn money without having to restock or worry about shipping. 3. Investing in stocks or index funds. Investing is one of the oldest methods of building wealth. By investing in stocks or index funds, you can grow your money over time through dividends and capital appreciation. The key to success here is consistency and long-term thinking. Index funds are particularly popular because they allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, reducing risk. For example, the S&P 500 index fund includes 500 of the largest companies in the US and is considered a safe, long-term investment. As companies grow and make profits, you'll benefit from the rising value of your shares. Start small, be patient, and reinvest your dividends for compounding growth. 4. Real estate rentals. Real estate has long been a way to build long-term wealth. Owning rental properties provides you with steady monthly income. The demand for rental housing is always there, whether it's residential or commercial property. If you're just starting out, you can begin with a single property. The key is to choose a location that has strong rental demand. For example, college towns or growing cities often have a steady stream of renters. As property values rise, your investment appreciates as well. Additionally, renting out properties on Airbnb can provide higher income with short-term rentals, especially if you're in a popular tourist area. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on every sale. It's an evergreen method because people will always be shopping online. The best part is you don't need to create your own product. You can partner with large retailers like Amazon or niche product companies and share affiliate links on your website, YouTube channel, or social media. For instance, if you have a blog about tech gadgets, you can link to your favorite products on Amazon and earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. The more traffic you generate, the more commissions you earn. 6. Blogging or content creation. Blogging and content creation are timeless ways to earn money. Whether you're sharing advice, reviews, or tutorials, content will always be in demand. Start a blog on a specific niche or create a YouTube channel on a topic you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. For example, if you create a blog about home cooking, you can monetize it by promoting kitchen gadgets and earning affiliate commissions. Or you can include ads from Google AdSense on your site, and you'll earn money whenever someone clicks on those ads. 7. Selling evergreen physical products. Some physical products have steady demand no matter the time of year. Think about things like health supplements, reusable water bottles, or personal hygiene products. You can sell these products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or even your own e-commerce store. For example, selling eco-friendly products like bamboo toothbrushes or stainless steel straws taps into the growing demand for sustainability. The best part is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can source products from suppliers and start your own business with minimal upfront investment. 8. Coaching or consulting is a great way to make money, especially if you have expertise in a particular field. Whether it's business coaching, life coaching, or fitness consulting, people are always looking for expert advice. Start by offering free webinars or writing articles to build your authority in your field. Then you can offer paid one-on-one sessions or group coaching. For instance, if you're a personal finance expert, you can help clients organize their budgets or plan for retirement. You can set up an online booking system and earn money by sharing your expertise. 9. Building an online subscription service. An online subscription service provides recurring income. Whether it's a membership site, a subscription box, or exclusive content, people are willing to pay for ongoing access to valuable material. Think about platforms like Patreon, where creators share exclusive content with paying members. Or you can create a membership site offering online courses. Once you have a core group of subscribers, you'll generate steady income month after month. 10. Peer-to-peer. Lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest over time. Platforms like Lending Club connect lenders with borrowers, making it easy to get started. While this method carries some risk, it can offer higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. For example, if you lend $1,000 to a borrower with an interest rate of 8%, you could earn $80 in interest after a year. Just remember to diversify your loans to reduce risk and carefully evaluate borrowers. Those are the top 10 evergreen methods for making money. Whether you choose freelancing, investing, or selling products, each of these methods has stood the test of time. The key to success is consistency, effort, and finding the right strategy that suits your skills and interests. Don't forget to start small, scale as you grow, and be patient with your results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit. Drop a comment below with your favorite method, or let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.